Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ajay from eeehub, and in this video tutorial you're going to learn about string data type in Python. In the previous session we have discussed about conversion of number data type. So let's start the session. So what is a string data type? In Python is defined as a set of character or characters under single or double quotation. For example, this variable 1 is containing a character e inside the single quotation. So this will be the string data type. In the variable 2, we are assigning a set of characters inside a single quotation. In variable 3, we have a set of characters inside a double quotation. So all these three variables will be a string data type. Now in the second line it is written that it is an immutable data type. So the meaning of immutable is it can't be changed. For example, if you have a variable 1 and you are assigning some string character or string in that variable, and again if you want to make some change in that variable, okay, in that string, that is not possible because the string data type is immutable. You can't change it. Okay, so now this third point is it is an index data type. Okay, so what is the meaning of index data here? So we have this string eeehub. So the eeehub, each characters of this string will be indexed from 0 to n number. For example, we have first character of this word eeehub is indexed as 0, second character of this string will be indexed as a 1, and so on. So let's jump into the command prompt to understand it better. Okay, so once you will open the command prompt, just write on Python. It will open the IDE for you. And now I will create one variable var1. Okay, inside this var1 I will assign a value like a character, that is e, inside a single quotation. Now I want to know the type of this variable, so I will use type function var1, and as an argument I will pass the var1. So I will get the class of that variable, that is str, that is short form of a string. Now again I will write on variable 2, and inside this variable 2 I will just write down the set of characters under double quotation. Now again, by using a type function I will try to know what is the class of this variable 2, and that is a string data type. So now I will show you what is the meaning of immutable. So I will write on a variable var1, okay, var1, and inside this var1 I will assign a value like e. Okay, so now inside this variable 1 we have eeehub, and now I want to know the address of this variable. To know the address of this variable, there is one function in Python, that is id function, and as an argument I will pass a variable name. Okay, so it will show me the address of this variable var1 which is containing eeehub. Okay, now I want to change the string that is inside this variable 1. So I will write down var1, and I want to change the string from e to eeehub. Okay, now again I want to know the address of this var1. So it should be same, but because the string data type is immutable data type, that's why there will be change in the address. So here you will see that in the variable 1, when we assign the eeehub, it has this address. 7712, and when we want to change the value of this variable 1 as a triple eehub, then the address will be 7680. It has a different address. So by this we know that the string data type is immutable data type. Now I will show you what is the meaning of indexing. Okay, so right now inside this var1 we have this, we have triple eehub. Okay, now I want to know what is at index 0. Okay, so for this I have to just write on var1 and then a square bracket. In the square bracket I have to write down the index number. So I want to know what character is at index 0, so I will write down index here. So it is E, capital E is here there, so it should print capital E. Now I want to know what is at index 5. Okay, not 5, index 4. So for this I will write down variable name and then a square bracket. Inside the square bracket I have to just write down the index number. So I want to know what is at 4. So at 4 we have U. So when you count this first E from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so at 4 it is U. So I hope now you have a clear understanding of string data type in Python. If you have any query, then you can comment down in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.